If you're responsible for buying Swiss travel passes for 4 people or even a group of 20 or more, you really don't want to make mistakes that could cost time or money. You want to buy from a trusted web shop that can help you quickly if one of the participants cancels, for example. Also, you want to make sure that each traveler has their own pass and knows how to use it before boarding your first train. Plus, it's essential that the passes are correct and won't cause issues when checked by the train staff. Let's go over this step by step so you can avoid mistakes, save time, and make sure it all goes smoothly. Before you order anything, make sure you have a list with the first and last name, country of residence, and birth date of all travelers, exactly as on their passports. There are many websites that sell Swiss travel passes. I recommend going for the official tourist webshop of the SBB, the Swiss Federal Railways. It's the easiest and safest way to get everything done. No account needed, no hidden fees. They deal with group travel all the time, have an easy to reach help desk, no issues with international credit cards, passes are emailed in minutes, and Swiss family cards will automatically be included for children. The link is in the video description. The first step is to select the start date. That's the first day you want to travel. Then select first or second class and how long you'd like to travel. Now select the number of travelers, including yourself. Don't rush this part. The age of each traveler is very important and it's the age at the start date of the pass that counts. Young people aged 16 to 24 get a discount. Children aged 6 to 15 get a Swiss family card for free travel. Kids under 6 don't need to be filled out, they travel for free anyway. And everyone else counts as an adult. Check this box to confirm you are a tourist and do not live in Switzerland. This next step is where most mistakes happen. You need to fill out all passenger details. First, enter your name and email address. Next, enter the name, country of residence and birth date of each traveler, again including yourself. All of that information must match their passports. Now carefully review your order and decide what kind of cancellation options you want. I recommend going for this extra option because with a group you just can't be sure if someone cancels at the last minute. And finally, you can pay for the order, but you are not done yet. Within 5 minutes you will receive all passes as PDF documents. Do check your spam folder if you can't find the email. You now need to email each pass to each participant and let them know 3 things. 1. They need to keep the pass on their phone and it is ready to use. They do not need any app, e-wallet or user account. 2. They need to carry their passports while traveling because train staff will check it against the Swiss travel pass. 3. They can create a backup of the pass by saving a digital copy or printing it on paper. It's good that you're still watching because my last tips will prevent you from a lot of hassle. You do not need Swiss travel passes to book seats. It's best to reserve seats as soon as possible for the few trains that require them at all. You can buy the passes later. The same web shop also sells cable car tickets. You can order them in advance if you know the date, or just come back a day before your excursion. At the time of recording, you can buy Swiss travel passes for up to 20 adults, plus 20 youths, plus 5 children, all at once. If you need more, simply complete your order, then place a second one. Do not buy Swiss travel passes at the train station. You would need to go to a staff station during opening hours with the passports of all travelers. It will take forever to get this done and you will get paper passes with no backups. All the links and info you need are in the video description. Have a great trip and if you've got questions, just get in touch, I'm happy to help.